All right, let's dive on in. So, Bitcoin on the road to recovery. I see Bitcoin possibly making I guess from where it's at this moment, a 0.78% upside move, which is really good because that means altcoins have the possibility of going up, which is really nice. So, 67,650. It's kind of my target right there right now. So let's see what kind of trades we can dive into based off of this. I'm currently in one, and we're gonna see what other ones we can get into after this one closes out, which it should close out pretty darn soon because I'm trading on the 5 minute time frame. But I'm currently in TRB. Where are you? There you are. So I'm currently in TRB, kind of the same situation as Bitcoin here. You can see we have low stochastics on the 15 minute. We had this demand line here. We broke straight out of it. And now it looks like we're heading up towards $61.12. I'm expecting this one to close while we're live, and I'd be looking for another one to get into. I'm thinking Turbo is where I want to be, but we're going to see. Anyways, little show my money where my mouth is. We're going to look at weeks, our affiliated exchange. Let's get out of that. Currently up 40% on the TRB trade. You can see it right here. We are currently in a 50x long for TRB. Get off my screen. So currently a 50x long on TRB. So yeah, I'm thinking it's going to make that nice little 3.94% move. It should happen tonight because I was on the 5 minute when I put in this trade, but looks like the 5 minutes getting a little bit of resistance. So we're gonna see what happens. But yeah, checking out Turbo. This is the thing that interests me right now. The fact that we still have this in play. This is kind of nice. Kind of nice. So you got your high all the way down to your low. This is the area in which I put it. We came down to our 50% retrace, almost our 382. We then got all the way down here. FTM breaking out. FTM's currently breaking out right now. We're going to jump into FTM. But for the very short run on Turbo right now, we should possibly see a 6% rise. I kind of would prefer to be in Turbo now. Huh. Oh well, too bad. I'm in TRB. But no, Turbo looks really good. Not only for the 6% rise, but also it's like 40% upside based off this falling wedge. So we're gonna see how fast Turbo decides to do that. But it does look like it's starting to heat up out here in the markets, which is interesting to me because it's like a weird time of night. But oh well, who am I to judge? Buyers will step in when they want to step in. Anyways, let's check out Sui real fast. I'm interested to see if I can jump into a short while we're sleeping. It's retaking a level that was once resistance as support. I don't know if this short-term downtrend is going to hold. If it holds, I mean, fantastic. Next level down, 155. Looking forward to that. Matt, what? What is your name? Matlow? Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll check out Bitcoin again. We'll check it out. But yeah, if we do head down, we could see Sui down another 13%. But if it goes up, anywhere between 6 and 10% upside for Sui, that would be backtesting this new demand line, which I think that would be a lot better for an entry, because it would be a bearish backtest as well. I think that would be a little better. Little bit better. Let's go on back up to Bitcoin. So I was looking at Bitcoin as soon as I turned stream on. But if we come down to the 5 minute time frame, you can see what I was seeing and why we're going long right now. Simply because we had this very steep downtrend that we broke out of and backtested. Therefore, fib levels, I'm looking for 67.65 or 67,650. But we could go as high as all the way up to the demand line up here at 68,414. If we do break it, it would be absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. But if we check out Bitcoin on the daily, it's singing a completely different song. It's basically saying, we are going up, baby. We're going way up. So let me get rid of all this. Let me make this all more sexy like. So you can see right here on the daily, we had former levels of support that now are acting as resistance. However, we have very low stochastics. We're in the bullish control zone, but we're not overbought. And looking at this as a bull flag, we had a perfect back test not once but twice. Now it just looks like we're getting ready for that recovery. And based off this being a bull flag, we could see price get all the way up to this ungodly level, all the way at $100,000. So I'm pretty bullish on Bitcoin right now. In the very short term and in the longer term, very bullish on Bitcoin. Looking at Bitcoin on the 4 hour, you can see we never back tested our 200. We only got as low as our 100 simple moving average. And now it looks like it's trying to take back the 50 simple. So that part is fantastic. Fantastic. Love to see it. But yeah, so as of tonight, going into tomorrow, I'm feeling bullish at the moment. So now we're just looking at random trade setups so we can jump into, in and out of, throughout the night, just so we can make some small gains. And I'm doing that live on stream. Matt Lowe, hopefully that answered your question or it gave you some insight. Hopefully you stick around for some of the juiciness of these trades. But yeah, we do have a demand line now that we have to contend with in the future, which is this right here. So once we go up and start testing that, that's where things can get very interesting. I can get rid of this line because it doesn't matter anymore, but these are the two that matter. As long as we stay in this range, we're super bullish. We fall out of this range to the downside, well, you might want to close out all your longs. Could get real bad real quick. Could. Crypto naughty. Market looking a bit bullish. It's looking good now. It looked terrible all day, but it's looking good now. All day it looked just awful. Just awful. I was getting so bearish. Like when I see things like this, BNX, all I'm thinking is, we going down, baby. We going straight down. You got support down here at 57.35. See you down there. I was hyper bearish earlier, but then suddenly Bitcoin started doing some things. Oh, BNX looking like it might try to break out tonight. Oh shit. Nice. Let's get rid of this. Let's bring this down here, because I will want to know when it breaks out. And now, based off a little fib retracement, we could see where this thing could go. I'm just doing high leverage trades tonight, so hopefully I'm not in these trades for too long. Hopefully not. Actually, we should probably go with a little bit bigger move. Looking at it kind of like this. You almost got your 1.7. Shoot. So we could see price getting back up to 66.27. Which, from where you're sitting, oops. Oopsie poopsie. Could be a 5.8% rise. I kind of like that. So let's drop. Whoa, wait. I want to see what Mother's doing. Mother up 6%. Look at this thing run. So this Mother, if you have an opportunity to jump into this one, maybe you go with some low leverage or something. From this line down here at 58539, 31% to your overhead resistance, but then your second overhead resistance, that's a 118% move. This thing might actually go flying tonight. Might go flying. Between Mother and Turbo, I don't know which one's going to perform better. Like, legitimately, I don't know. Let me get a random level here that we could be watching out for. Right there. Oh, yeah, right there. Alright, so Mother, we want to see if it's actually going to break above this peak here. A little bit lower. This peak here. If Mother can break above that and stay above it, then yeah, we're pretty much certain going to go hit that 7707 level. That'll be kind of nice. That'll be kind of nice to see that. I'm currently in TRB right now. Crypto Naughty. Currently in TRB. The Teller coin. I do believe I'm going to get this move. But we're on a 50x leverage long. And I'm just waiting for this to play out. I don't want it to pull back. I really don't. I just want to see this thing go up. That'd be fantastic. Just so you guys know, the trade is open right now. We're up 43% on the trade. 43%. Runner, what is up? How you doing? Dang, 50x. Yes, you can see it right here. Isolated 50x long. We're in it. So I'm hoping nothing goes bad. That's what I'm really hoping for. Nothing goes bad. And we look at math. It's going back up from its fall of the other day. Sure, let's go ahead and look at math. Let's go check it out. Take a look here. By the way, any newbies in the chat, we are one sub away from 400 subscribers on YouTube. You could be that person. Be the one. Be amazing. Subscribe. Is this the one that we looked at? Not the one we looked at. Was it Gate.io? It was Gate.io. Huh. Let's clean this up for a second. Let's clean this up. Wow, it actually came straight down that 20%. Holy crap. Who would have thought? Adam, is that what you were talking about the other day where I called that? That's cool. Anyway, we have a confirmed breakout right now, so that is good. Yeah? Oh, okay. Cool. Cool. Oh, big announcement, guys. I think starting on Monday on the Weeks platform, I will become one of the elite traders. And you guys can copy trade with me. So that's going to be kind of cool. Kind of cool. So yeah, if you don't have a Weeks account already, go make one. Do that. It would be great. It would be awesome. It would be kind of sexy. And then once I get that all settled and squared away, support the channel. Join the copy trading. Could I look at Pith with the move I'm gunning for is 39 cents? Oh, nice. Congrats. Thank you, Crypto Naughty. Thank you. Also, we might have another announcement coming on Monday. Might be an exciting Monday. We'll see. We'll see. Bo, that was another thing with the copy trading on Wix. For me and our community, you will have a $100 protection for like your first loss with my copy trades. Because she let out giant load morning.
In the morning?
Yeah, in the morning. She let out a giant load that's been read all day. Ever since. Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, we're gonna check out math next. Yo, what's up, Max? How we doing? Things are looking pretty good right now. Right now, they're looking good. All right, let me finish the TA here on math, and then we'll go from there. So, looks like you're hitting overhead resistance at 41.66. Got a little work to do to stay above that, but based off if you can break that 41.66 very fast, you could see yourself back to 60 cents. Right now, you're just kind of waiting for some form of confirmation, consolidation, something like that, or it's just going to go crazy. But very hard to tell what it's going to do right now. So, I mean, once you saw that breakout, should have been in there like swimwear. But other than that, yeah, above this 41.66, things get a little nutty for math. You could even argue, if you get above 41.66, you're likely to go up to 98.26. You attempted once, you attempted twice. Third time's a charm. Yo, Pimosa, what is up? What is up? How you doing? Welcome back. So yeah, math is looking pretty interesting. We should probably go into much lower time frames then. Much lower time frames. You got in 32, been patient. Wait, what? Practicing my charts. Very nice. Got in 32. 32 was not a bad entry. Holy crap. 32 was right before the breakout. Beautiful. On the 1 hour, it gave you your back test as well. This thing just shot off like a rocket. That is what? Nope. I never look at the 30 minute. Get out of there. Alright, so you are in overbought territory on the 15 minute. You're going to want to see some form of consolidation. Maybe even go as far as seeing a back test on this 36.30. So if you weren't in a long already, you're going to wait to hold support either at 36.30, or you could come all the way back down to 31.37, but you're more likely to break above this 41.66 and then hold it as support. So just kind of waiting and seeing on math. Let's go ahead and head into Pith. Pith. We're going to check it on the Binance chart. Oh boy. Oh boy. I don't know where I looked at it last time, but I feel like the Binance chart will have plenty of info for me. There's lots of leverage on Binance too, which I like. I like it when there's a lot of leverage because that's where you're going to see a lot of a very methodic, very predictable price action. Because, you know, when the leverage traders are in there, they kind of just want to make things happen for themselves. So that's kind of the nice thing. We're going to go with that right there. All right, so Pith coming out to your daily. Daily looks good for upside. Looks really good for upside. So if you can break above this 38.12, you're looking at 44.1 to start. If you can get above that, 60 cents right after. So things are looking pretty good. I do love how you broke out. You tested it once. You faked out to the downside. No hidden bullish divergence, so that's fine. Looks like your selling pressure is waning, which is even better. It's good. And then the third time it came down, could not touch it again. This is a very, very good look for Pith. So with that being said, let's go ahead and make that supply line. So anything above this, what's about to be green line, so anything above that green line, you're kind of good. You're just coasting, waiting to see what happens next. 4 hour time frame looks great. You back tested not only your 100 but also your 200, trying to take back your 50 simple. Very, very nice. Let's go down to the 1 hour. 1 hour is looking pretty interesting. I'm not going to say it looks good yet. It looks interesting. It still is set up to go down. Reason I say that is because let's just take out the fibs on this bad boy, bring it to this high here. You can see we're only getting to the 382. We have not even tested the 1.7. We haven't back tested anything. We're just up sloping right now, getting our strength up. This is one thing that during the middle of the day today, I was getting hyper bearish on everything because a lot of things look like this. And usually I short patterns like this. So that's one thing I do not really like. I do like that your stochastic is pointing straight up. I like that you're taking your moving averages back, and it looks like Bitcoin is going up, so I'm going to lean more bullish right now. So in the near term, as long as you're staying above this line right here, you don't get an hourly candle close below this line, you should be in the clear to go up and test 38 cents. Should be. 15 minute, a lot left to be desired. Lot left because you're starting to show signs of hidden bearish divergence. Not great. You have your peak here. You double topped on your strength. So hopefully if we start running up, we can take out those highs and get into overbought territory. That would be ideal. But the fact that if it turns around right now, you just set your first lower high, which would set you up to go all the way down to 30.75. So be careful with Pith. Be very careful with Pith. Keep the stop loss very tight. Even your 5 minute is giving you bearish convergence. That's not great. Oh, hidden bearish divergence on the 5 minute right here. High, lower high, high, higher high in price. Yeah, Pith, it could fall. Which is really annoying because the rest of the market looks so strong. I don't like that. Don't like that. So, Crypto Naughty. Yeah. Be careful on this one. If it were me trading this, I'd have a stop loss right below this 34.28. Hopefully you're in the profits at that point, but I would have my stop loss there. That 5 minute, I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Okay, what are we checking next? Air Rod? Sure. Check out Air Rod. Let's do it. Glad that our trade is still going well. We're up 50% already on the trade. We're doing things. Alright, let's is that the ticker? No. No, that's not. What is Air Rod? What is this thing? Aerodrome Finance. Got it. Got it. Got it. We got the thing. We got it. I've been here? Since when? Ew. I charted it wrong when I was here. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Hold on. I did not chart it wrong, but we are going to rechart it. I don't know when I was here last. Now I got to refresh myself. Terrible. 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 Damn, I remember I had 30 cents. 30 cents? Back here? Sheesh. You saw it when it was new. That's crazy. Take the lows. It looks like you're trying to get a back test. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe you did get a back test. Trying to hold support? Huh. This is a neat one. I can't give this too much credit. We'll just give it a little bit of credit. We'll just do this. There we go. That's what we'll do there. It's only been there once, you know, just can't give it too much credit. Your daily looks really good. Holy smokes. Yeah, your daily looks really good. Cause I mean, this is your demand line right now on the daily. Looks like you're going up to test it. Let's see how that lines up on the 4 hour. Yikes. Yeah, it looks like you're about to go up and test it. I don't really know if it's going to be able to break out, though. You're about to get a death cross on the 4 hour. You bearishly backtested it once. Looks like you could be bearishly backtesting for a second time. You have massive buying pressure. Your relative strength's getting up there. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 hour. 1 hour's overbought. This is kind of an area where you'd consider going short. I mean, maybe you spike up to then touch the demand line, but you'd be expecting a pullback. Hopefully you get a higher low than before. Do we have any hidden bullish divergence? Whoa. Massive hidden bullish divergence. What the hell? Your hidden bullish divergence started back here at $1.29. Holy crap. And it got all the way down there? Jesus. That's wild. That's actually wild. I didn't think it could show that much. Let's check it on the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour. You got your hidden bullish divergence as well. I'm interested to know what happens here. Likely to happen. You get a breakout and a back test. Wait for the back test on this. See if it does break and back test. If you get that strong back test and you hold, Well, you could see this thing rise up to $2.03. That's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. But I don't like how low it got while having hidden bullish divergence. That's a little disturbing. There were a lot of longs that got wrecked. But it does look like you just held this little trading range right over here at $1.0184. You kissed it, and now you're starting to go back up. Interesting little token here. So if you can get that breakout and back test, then yeah, I'll see you at $2.03. If you cannot break this level, I'll see you at 94.22. Those are really your only options. You can't make a trade based off this yet, but you can hope. So this one is in a waiting pattern. Just gonna wait it out, you know? Just gonna wait it out. It's fine. That's not bad. It's not bad. By the way, anybody who's new here, feel free, drop a request. I'm checking out all of your charts tonight, checking out other random ones as well. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. It would be fantastic. I was able to get out of Bitcoin short in a profit. Bloodsville, very nice. Why is everyone from YouTube showing up blue on my Streamlabs? That is crazy. Because it's hard to read it. What? It's very hard to read it. How about Soul? Looking to sell my bag you've been holding since May. I don't know that you should sell your bag just yet. Let me be your third like. Hell yeah, we're getting our third like. Let's go, baby. I can't even see the likes. That's crazy. Appreciate you liking the stream. Honestly, I do really appreciate that, because apparently likes on these streams really do help. I'm surprised. I was very surprised when I found that out. I was like, oh, the more likes you get, the more people start looking at it. Go figure. Alright, so Solana, probably one of the strongest tokens out here right now, out of the big caps. And you can see on your 4-hour time frame, even as you were getting devastated like the rest of the market, you barely kissed that 159 level, and it got bought right back up. You're in the middle of a V-shaped recovery. I don't think it's time to sell off any Solana. I don't think it's the time. Target for Solana, you're looking at like 225. 225, still the target. It's chugging along. I'd hang on to that. I'd hang on to that bag. Hang on tight, buddy. It's looking really good. I mean, with how low this stochastic is, as you're hitting that overhead resistance again, we could literally argue, oh, it just wanted to reset its indicators before going up further. Sucks that this wick was so low, because it got below this wick, so we already know. There were some people who got stopped out, liquidated, pooped on. They're probably mad about it, but either way, this thing looks super strong. If you didn't get in down here, I don't know what you were doing. So yeah, Solana's looking really strong. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, it looks like it's ready to rally. Did you look at Cardano? You're holding 900k ADA. I did not look at ADA. I did not. We don't look at stablecoins that often, but I'll check it out. I'm kidding. It's not a stablecoin. It is a coin that you stake. That you just stake it. Stake your life away. It's fine. Alright, let's go out to the weekly first. So the weekly, Cardano is looking rough. It is looking rough. We can get rid of this trend line. We can get rid of this. It doesn't matter. On the weekly, if we do not get above 34.37, Cardano, technically speaking, is set up to come back down to 24 cents. Let that sink in. Somebody's going to argue, but these candle low closes right here, you're holding it strong, just like you did back here. And what happened last time? We went up to 43 cents. Yeah, but this is this time. I don't really care. Cardano needs to, like, prove themselves. They need to do something. Last bull run, they had a bunch of upgrades. They had, like, their Shelly upgrade. They had um, Carlson's son or whatever that guy's name is, talking shit on Twitter nonstop, and there was a lot of stuff going on with Cardano. I haven't heard a thing about Cardano at all this cycle, literally at all. Like no one's talking about Cardano. It's kind of weird. The most I heard about Cardano was a meme coin called Sneck, which it's not really a meme coin. It's a gamer supplement company that happens to have a crypto. So I was like, oh, how very interesting. So the another big problem Cardano's having, you broke your supply line right here. So if you can break back above both levels of resistance, all right, I'll stop talking so much smack about Cardano, and I'll concede, and I'll be like, hey man, looks like you're going up to 45 cents. Looks like you're going there. But until then, I'm gonna keep talking shit about Cardano. Yeah, I'm gonna keep doing it. You do have some hidden bullish divergence with this right here. So the reason why I say hidden bullish divergence is because you had way more sell pressure. Now you have way less sell pressure with a lower price. So that is a sign there is accumulation. There are people grabbing this token, but you don't have any formal hidden bullish divergence. You do have bullish convergence, but also, as you can see here, your buying pressure kind of fell off a cliff. And as I mentioned before with that other token with Pith, see how this is slightly upsloping? Then it just fell down. I like shorting these patterns. I really do like shorting these patterns. So hopefully this down isn't turning into the same thing before another down. We do have some hope. We have Moonvember coming, so it can actually help this thing out. Let's go to the 4 hour. Alright, so the 4 hour, you are gaining some momentum with the rest of the market. This is good. I really do hope it doesn't get nuked with like Bitcoin or something. It would be terrible. We have a downtrend right now that it looks like you're about to test. So we'll see if it breaks out. You get a nice little breakout back test, then you could see yourself getting back up about an 9% rise up to 36 cents. Very possible. Very possible. But yeah, Cardano's one of those weird ones. It's like one day out of the blue on a random Tuesday morning at like 8:40, just complete arbitrary time, you'll see it up like 15%. You'll be like, what happened? I don't know. It moved. so yeah, Cardano, it's a little bit harder to read just because it goes from doing nothing to doing something most of the time. But yeah, I mean, you have tons of room on the 1 hour to break out, push yourself up. Tons of room. We just got to wait for it to happen. And from a fib retracement level, let's just say you did get that move that you're looking for. I mean, it doesn't even bring you as high as overhead resistance. So yeah, that's what I see out of ADA. Hopefully it breaks out. I'm actually hopeful it breaks out. I want every token to go up, and I want it to go up in a big way. I want this to be the most ridiculous bull run we've ever seen in our lives, and we all can like retire our family tree. That would be great. But we're just gonna have to wait and see. Gonna have to wait and see. Mother still moving up. That's great. Oh, so I remember we were looking at Nero ETH, and I guess it started moving. Let's check and see what just happened. You son of a bit! It broke its supply line, broke support, and here we go. The hell is this? Heck, you want to check out Popo? Heck, is Popo on TradingView? It better be on TradingView. Better be on TradingView. I don't remember if it's on TradingView. Yeah, so Nero ETH. You can see this thing rise like 115%, going up to 15 cents. Don't sleep on this one. Don't sleep on it. Are you trying to send me to Dex Screener, heck? We got rules here. We got rules about Dex Screener. Don't tell me you're trying to send me to Dex Screener. I don't want to go there. Alright. Hey, my trade's doing well. Let's see if we can find it. Popo. What's up, babe?
You know where Siamese cat is?
What?
Siamese cat. The white one.
Oh, it's in that little bin next to her bed. It's toward the bottom. Where all their stuffed animals are? Why would you call that a Siamese?
Looks like a Siamese cat.
The white one with black stripes.
No, not the tiger.
It's on Dexter. Oh gosh. I don't know what you're talking about. Then. I don't know where it's at.
Did you take one with her in the car?
No. I don't know where it's at. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know. Alrighty. Get a real cat. No. No. We have a dog. We have a dog because we're respectable people. Okay? No offense to the cat owners out there. I just don't want a cat. But my daughter, she has these stuffed animal cats. Like 12 of them. My wife's like, "Where's this one?" I don't know. Pick a different one. Like, you serious? Oh boy. Adam 500. Oh no. Dog over cat. Yes, dog over cat. Dog over cat. Heck, it's no offense. I mean, maybe you haven't been here before. I don't like going on Deck Screener, so I do have a $5 dono minimum in order for me to go on to Deck Screener and check out your meme coin. Otherwise, I'm just not going to look at it. That's really the long and the short of it. I really don't like going on Deck Screener. It's a hassle every time. I hate cats. They're horrible pets. Definitely a cat would never defend me like a dog would. You know, that's true. That's true. But then you're going to like see that video where that one cat saved the young little boy from the dog that was attacking him. Then you're going to be like, "Dang, maybe cats could do that." But, you know, every cat is different. Let's check out Theta. Yeah, Theta. Oh, God. Theta looks weird, too. Theta looking weird, too. Yeah, so heck, if you have any other token that I can find on TradingView, I am more than happy to look at it. But as for Deck Screener, no, I'm not really for it. I guess I should pin that message. Hold on. Give me a second here, guys. Give me a second. Hold on. Need to get the link. I failed to do this while I was taking care of my daughter all day. Sorry. I was unprepared. This is my fault. It's my fault. It's my bad. I apologize. I apologize. Hold on. I have friends buying Sui. I wanted to short it also at $2.30, but forget it. You know, I don't know why anyone's buying Sui right now. It does not make any sense to me. Why they would buy that. Doesn't make any sense. Alrighty, we are posting this. Is FOMO. NOS. Ripping. I don't even know what NOS is. Alright, I've now officially made it clear. We're going to pin this thing. pinned comment. There we go. We did it. We did it. I don't know what NOS is. I'll go see if I can find it. Let's see what NOS is. Nosana? Nosana. Nosana. Up 7.8%. Bitcoin 85K today at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time. That's quite the bold statement. 85,000? Are we for real? BNX breaking out right now. That's pretty cool. Anybody looking for a trade? BNX, it's ready for you. We'll dive into that chart pretty soon here. Yeah, NOS is ripping. It's going straight up. Don't know what to tell you. I'm guessing you might want to know where it could possibly stop. Where it's at. It could possibly stop right there. So, let's see. We got a level here. Right there. You're above it. You're going to want to see a back test of that. And then you got a level right above that. And then you have this weird, scraggly, little ugly level. Right about here. Right about there. Right in the middle of it. It's a scraggly little level that was acting as support and resistance. Something you do have to keep in mind while you're getting these trades. And then we have the very high level there. Let's go down to daily. Daily. Not similar. Wait, what? Love to see it. Wait, NOS is similar to render? Is it really? Huh. I didn't know that. Yeah, your daily's just ripping to the upside. You're going to look for a back test either at $3.15 or it'll go up and hit $5. But you're currently hitting a resistance right now. So it'll be interesting to see what it does. It'll be very interesting to see what it does. Checking out the 4 hour. 4 hours trying to reset? Okay. Trying to be a little hyper bullish out here. Love to see that. Love it. Let's check the 1 hour. 1 hour wants to rally. Oh my god. Your 1 hour actually wants to rally? See, this is some Weekend Warrior shit right here. This is cool. I like Weekend Warrior shit. I do like it. Let's check the 15-minute. Oh, the Weekend Warriors are out here, dude. They are out here. Holy moly. Gotta love the Weekend Warriors because they just broke out of this recent downtrend. If you were trading this on leverage, really good idea would be to profit either at 492 or 5067. That's wild that they're breaking out. That is actually wild. 7-minute fully reset on the breakout, looking sexy. That is insane to me. Insane. Or Mike, something happened. My mic went to hell? Static? Oh man. Huh. It's all static. I might actually have to get a new mic. That's terrible. How's this one? I know I'm going to sound like I'm in a weird room. Hold on. Filters. Wait, are all the filters on this thing still? Oh, wait a minute. I think it said put 20K on Shiba. No way I said that, actually. There's no way. I'd have to look at it, but... Is the audio much better now? That one's good. No, he said on XRP. Max, I would never say XRP. Why do you guys want me to, like, start... Ugh, gross. Craig, this is better? Alright. Alright, we're just going to stick with this one. Just unplug it and plug it back in. I mean, I think I have to do that. But no, I think it's time to get a new mic. It's a step down in quality, but better than the static. Hold on, we're going to try unplugging it and plugging it back in. All right. Let's see if the static comes back. BNX, first time I saw it, looks good. Oh, it literally just triggered I should be in a trade on it. So we're going to go check out BNX. But let me switch this one back. Okay, do we still have static or is it okay? I have zero idea what it is. Yeah, I have no idea what it is either. I have zero idea what it is. Yeah, I have no idea what it is either. What's okay? I don't hear static, so. Yeah, I have no idea what it is either. What's okay? I don't hear static, so. All right, we're good. We're good. It's okay, kind of low. You're saying it's low? Turn your volume up, Max. There's no shot. My mixer says we're all good. No, it's way better. Okay, all right. For sure. CIA hearing our conversation. Yeah, the CIA is just going to come for them taxes. That's all that's going to happen. All right, let's go into BNX. So why did my alert go off? Probably because it looks great. Currently broken out. So we have the break, the back test, and it's starting to run. Starting to run. Okay, questions. So trade coins without knowing what they're about. Of course, Bloodline. I could care less what they're about. Can they make me money? That's all I care about. I don't need to know the backward technology for me to be in a trade for BNX to go up 5.86%. I could care less. Does not matter. All I need is the setup. That's it. So right now, if I was to jump in a BNX trade, I would be looking for a 5.2% gain. That's it. Most projects are BS anyways. That's true. That is so true. There's a lot of BS in the market. So for you to like learn every token, waste of time. Like Teller token. I don't have a clue what this thing is. I jumped into a 50x long on it. We're up 77%. I don't care what it is. We're up. That's all I care about. I learned this saying from one of my clients. I'm a personal trainer. By day, I trade by all day. And one of my clients said the best thing ever because I was talking about Beyond Meat. I was like, I hate Beyond Meat as a company. I hope it dies. I hope it burns. I despise everything about it. And he was like, you don't have to like it. You don't have to understand it. You don't have to know anything about it. But you can make money from it. I was like, shit. You know what? You're right. So I was like, yeah, you know what? He's right. He's right. He's like, it's not like you're married to it. You don't have to go to bed with it at night. All you're doing is making money off of it and leaving. I was like, that's fair. That is fair. If someone wanted to hypothetically trade with KYC, without KYC, and use MEXC, what's out there now? Well, Crypto Naughty, there's a link that pops up pretty often, and that is to Weeks, our affiliated exchange. No KYC, no VPN. It's friendly to the US. It might be what you're looking for. It's where I do most of my trades right now. All these trades here, this is Weeks right there. So yeah, use the affiliate link. It's in the description as well. Join us. It's a great place to be. Tons of trading pairs on spot and in futures. So it's worth it. It's definitely worth it. And then on Monday, we might have a new announcement. So yeah. But also starting Monday, I might be a copy trader for Weeks as well. And it's either going to be Monday or Tuesday. So if you wanted to like just have a little side account where you have the possibility of making gains with me, it's a great place to be. So yeah, definitely think about it, because I will be doing the exact same type of trading nonsense that I do here live on stream over there. Actually, let's check out their copy trading options here. Wait, can I see what I could trade? Or is it just copy me? I don't think it does. Full compensation for your first liquidation. Look at that. This is a great little additive right here. So let's say you are copy trading me and I make a terrible decision on at any point and we happen to get liquidated, you get a full compensation right there. But also I talked to them and every one of my first 50 followers on my copy trades, you will have $100 insurance. So let's just say I mess up, you lose $100, they're gonna credit it right back to you. So that part's kind of cool. Kind of cool. I need to stop being an advertisement for that exchange now. We need to get back to these charts. Any requests out there? Or am I just going to start aimlessly looking at AVAX? I think we're going to start looking at AVAX. That's what we're going to do. That is what we're going to do. I know the exchange just popped up recently. Hold on. No KYC. Here it is. Here's the link for weeks. Here is the link. So if you do want to join us over at Weeks, it's a fantastic exchange. Click that link, set up your account, throw some funds in there, maybe take a look around. There's tons of bonuses too. I mean, it's kind of obnoxious. You get sign-in bonuses, you get deposit bonuses, you also get rebates on your trades. You get there's so much shit they're giving away in there. It's shocking. Not to mention, I was looking at the homepage today because I was bored, and it's like if you grab, get out of here. Yeah, they also have this like competition thing, but yeah, you commit this WXT token. Hold on, go back over there. Shit, but you commit this WXT token, you start getting airdrops. So it's kind of like you're staking and holding their token just to get other airdrops. It's kind of cool. You get to earn LYK token here. You get, what? Hold WXT, enjoy 50% off futures trading fees. Commit and earn. You could actually earn LOS tokens, DIA tokens. That is wild. That's actually wild. The amount of stuff they're giving away. It reminds me of when I first got onto KuCoin. It actually does remind me of that. Somebody asked for something and I didn't see it. Algo. Can we look at Algo? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Why can't I see that here? There it is. Algo. A-L. Algo. I thought I charted this like yesterday. Oh, we did chart it yesterday. Okay, cool. So Algo is actually sitting in a fantastic area. So what was once regarded as resistance, support, it is now becoming support once again. So you are expecting, if you get a rally, you're going to get somewhere between 14.30 and 20 cents out of Algorand. I don't know if you're leverage trading this or if you are spot trading this, but for a swing trade, like a spot hold, you're definitely looking to get this 143 to 306% upside. That's for spot traders. For the leverage trader out there, your daily stochastics fully reset. You're in the bearish control zone on your relative strength for the daily. But you can see right here, are we getting anything? No, we're not. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my god. Hold on. Okay, we don't see this too often. We don't see this too often. You have your low here, low on relative strength, higher low, lower relative strength, giving it more room to run to the upside. You don't see that too often. This is a form of bullish convergence. That is phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. So I would start off with saying you're more than likely going to not only test but break out of this demand line. And yeah, so you could be seeing 2.59%, but in reality you could see a 24% upside move in the coming days. This is cool. This is actually really cool. I don't see that too often. Oh my god, you see it here too. That's amazing. That's actually amazing. I'm surprised it's not moving faster. That's amazing. So right now you have this like flatline level of resistance at 1152. You break above that, you're just probably going. Algorand looks super strong right now. Super strong. I don't like the stochastic on the 1 hour though. I really don't like that. Your 15-minute leaving a lot left to be desired, but it's okay. It's okay. Very short-term target. You're looking for 1161. Getting you above that little resistance that has been holding you down for so long. I like Algorand right now. I do like Algorand. I like it a lot. Like it a lot. I mean, who's suppressing Algorand's price? I mean, let's be honest. Who's doing that? Yikes. ApeCoin. Yikes. Yikes. The disrespect. You came up for a bearish backtest. You found support. You're trading sideways after it. Ugh. I mean, hopefully it gets its footing. But actually, ApeCoin's a solid reminder of what could happen once you break these demand lines. It shot straight up to a resistance. Till you hit that resistance, it's kind of like you can just keep going. And that's what it did before it fell all the way back down. And it looks like it's about to roll over again. Ugh. Gross. That's what ApeCoin does. It just goes up and goes down. Goes up and down. I can't wait till ApeCoin actually becomes like relevant again. That'll be nice. Oh, is BNX gonna get a back test? That'll be nice. Thank you. Plenty. Huh? No. Thank you. You okay?
Can you tell him to move his butt out of the way so he can breathe?
I would, but I don't know his name. Caspa's killing us? We'll take a look at Caspa. I love you. I put my wife in charge of naming our baby boy that's in her stomach, and she hasn't been able to decide a name yet. So I'm throwing shade until she does. I think I passed it. Cass. Yeah, Caspa kind of is killing you because it's in no man's land. You can't do anything with this. The only thing you can do right now is say, hey, we are trying to break a demand line. So if you break to the upside, then Caspa's set up for a good trade. Very good trade. If you break to the upside, you could be looking at a move right up to here. About a 6% move to the upside. Very possible. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was Nero. Never mind. Mother's still up 5. Okay. So I got to peek in on my trade here. We're stalled out? Come on, TRB. I was supposed to be out of you by now. I would have been shorting Caspa. No offense. Yeah, I'd short this right now. I'd definitely short this right now. I have this odd feeling Caspa's going to be mean to everybody. Come down to this 10.53 level. I'd be shorting the hell out of it. Sorry, man. Week's login seems broken. What? What? Let's see if we can get a different link. Hold on. Come on. Copy. God damn it. Let's see if we can use this one. Hold on. What was that other one? Oh, it looked the same. I don't know. It was the confirmation codes. All right, I'm going to. You're the second person to say that. I'm gonna message my guy and be like, "Hey, man, how's going on here?" All right, I'm messaging them. Let's see what they'll end up saying eventually. Jordan, welcome into the Discord. Welcome in. Nice to have you. It was the confirmation codes. Gotcha. 6G2Y. Yeah, that's just my affiliate code or something. Where did my trade go? I would love to know what happened here. There we are. Currently up 90% on the trade. 90%, 97, 90. What are we doing? Are we about to close out? It's getting there. It's getting there, baby. That's the code it put in my referral space. I'm not sure if that's the right code. Interesting. 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 All right. So Caspa, we're waiting to see if we can get a break. We can get a break, like kick it. Oh wait, did we? Hold on. Oh, it's trying so hard. It's trying so hard to break out. That's the code to put in your referral space. Oh yeah, yeah, because I'm referring you, that is my referral code. So that's why it's right there. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes total sense. Looks like Turbo's starting to go. Look at that. Look at that. So you guys can see how these fib levels they actually work. You can see how this actually works. We had a breakout. We had a breakout of this. And from that breakout of the downtrend, you're looking to hit this fib level up in the green space, somewhere up there. Sometimes it underperforms. It sucks when that happens, but somewhere in that green space. Normally speaking, you don't go below your previous low. So in the TRB trade, you guys are going to see how tight this one was. But we happen to have a low stochastic on the 15 as well, but I was looking at the 5. So on the 5, I saw this low. I saw the break that was happening. I actually got in on this candle here where it looked really bad. And then, yeah, I just had a stop loss right below that low. You see a low, lower low, take off. So now we're just waiting to see if this thing's going to finally finish the move, damn it. Finish the move. So yeah, hopefully that happens sooner than later. But no, going back to Caspa's one I would be staring at for hours. Just watching it, just to see when the breakout happens. Looking at it on the 5-minute, it's happening now. So yeah, I would be diving into this Caspa trade. The thing I don't like about Caspa right now is how low the stop loss has to be. Stop loss has to be down here. 11,6,279. I'm zoomed in on the 5-minute, so obviously it looks like, oh my god, it's so low. It's just annoying how low it is. Even though it's like, what, 2%? It's 1.5%. A 1.5% means, technically speaking, you could go 50x, but in reality, you're probably only going to go like 30 at most because of the risk. But with a 30x, you can still get 180% upside on this thing. And that's how I'd be playing Caspa right now. I'm looking at it to go up 6.08%. That's what I would be playing. That's it and that's all. That's all. It's like, oh wow. If TRB could move its damn ass, give me like a spike up there. Get me out of this trade. I'd open this Caspa trade right now. Right this moment, live on stream, I'd do it. I'd do it. And the only reason I'd go below this is because you're putting in higher lows. So you can see this, low, low, low. You're putting in higher lows. So you're expecting this, if it does come down, you'd still put in a higher low. If you don't put in a higher low, trade failed, you get stopped out. Oh well. Wash your hands of it, find the next trade. But you are way more likely to go up there. Oh man, TRB is just playing with my heart now. Just playing with my heart, guys. It's frustrating. So darn frustrating. Jordan Mexi. Hello, I'm from Mexi. Could I DM you for collab inquiries? I can't even use your platform, brother. Oh my goodness. I guess it tis the season of exchanges. Oh, I'm so confused. We had two Jordans back to back join? That's wild. That's wild. Who would have thought? But yeah. So Caspa, right now, this moment, if you were trying to make some money from Caspa, I'm the 5 minutes giving me those feel goods. Let's see if your 7 minutes doing the same thing. Your 7 minute is not doing it for me. The 15 is not either. That's that really high stochastic. Not a good look. You want that to reset, so that's not a good look. But your 1 hour, I'm guessing, ew, looks gross too. Your 1 hour looks gross. So I don't understand what Caspa's doing right now with breaking out, but here we are. The breakout is actually happening, even though everything looks high. What time is it? 9:28. At 9:28 at night, it only wants to look good on the 5 minute. Are we sure? We sure? Would you guys be happy if you ended up seeing it go up 6%? Would you be happy? Or would you be like, that's just the start. We haven't done anything. I feel like you'd say it's just the start. But you gotta realize how big of a deal that 6% is. Because that would get you back into this symmetrical triangle that you just got kicked out of. Or not triangle, channel. In this weak bull flag. That's what it is. So the fact that you never would have gotten stopped out from down here, never would have gotten stopped out. It's still in play for Caspa to get all the way up here to 23.7695. And you never know. Could be the start of that right now. You never know. Actually, your daily says it's the start of it. So I guess we know from that aspect. And that's sometimes how I jump into trades and I just stay in them for a long period of time. But yeah, I wouldn't. Actually, no. Now's the time. Yeah, I probably would stay in this one for a long time. But if I'm thinking about it, I probably would. Back in the 5 minute. I like this 5 minute. This 5 minutes looking good. 5 minute looking sauced up. And let's just say you don't think it's going to go that high. I mean, first off, we could see it pull back down here to 117388. It could come straight down to it and then pop out of it. But that's a very small move. You need some ridiculously high leverage in order for that trade to make sense. You'd need some very high leverage for that to make sense. What do you like, very high? All right. Math price possible 75 plus. More money. Mo money. I guess so. Yeah. Sure. I can get behind that. Why not? Why the heck not? Oh, look at that reset. We're going to be out of this trade in no time. I'm feeling good about it, boys. Feeling good about it. And ladies, if you happen to be present, feeling good about it. So math, you're saying 75 cents plus. Yeah. More money. You're late. You are late. I called for 98 cents. You're late, brother. You're so late. I was like, yo, math to the moon, bro. Math to the moon, bro. You had this downtrend you broke out of. Math to the moon, buddy. Your 4 hour needs to reset, but it's gonna take some time. But yeah, 98.26. That's the target you're looking at if you can maintain your supports down here. Flare, FLR, US looks interesting too. Isn't Flare like that? Like a part of XRP? It is, right? The Flare token? I can see why you think it's interesting. I can see it. You found a very critical support. This is good. Very critical support. Because you lose that level, and it's like, see ya, buddy. Going back down to 9/10 of a penny. Gonna lose your penny status. It's kind of a big deal. It's like a pocket of liquidity you're stuck in, though. So once you can break out of that, you have a lot of upside. Like a lot of upside. Sheesh. All you do is go straight up. Straight up, straight down. Even from existence. You found resistance and you went straight down. You broke above this, straight up. Broke down, straight down. I totally forgot. You have a bunch of that. Looks dead. What? Hold on. Crypto Naughty, if this looks dead to you, we're going to have a little conversation about TA. Okay? This looks like a buying zone to me. Based off this trading range over here. You don't really want it to get down here once again, but you're very low on relative strength on the weekly. And the MACD on the weekly, it looks ready to flip into the green. So you can't say it looks dead. It looks like a buying opportunity. I don't know too much about it. It's just one I've been watching. It's a layer 1 blockchain on ETH. Interesting. Checking out your daily time frame. Daily looking pretty darn good. We're getting that hidden bullish divergence. You have low here, slightly lower low, way higher strength. This thing is ready to rock and roll. You get a stop loss below that wick, and you're basically just waiting it out until it gets back up to 3517. What kind of percentage are we looking at? We could be seeing 157%. No idea how long it's going to take, but that's kind of what you're looking for. Like, you even broke out of your downtrend, so I don't know what else to tell you. This thing looks good. Check out your 4 hour, see if you can start moving. I don't know. Your stochastic's leaving a lot left to be desired. You're showing bullish convergence, which is great. That's the second. I hardly ever see that. Hardly ever see that, especially when you're testing a level of support. That is crazy. Hardly ever see that. Oh, wait. I had it mixed up. Never mind. Maybe you're not doing it. But we do have. Why is this a resistance at 158? Why is that a resistance? That's weird. I don't know why that would be a resistance. That doesn't make any sense. But here you are. These little peaks. You hold it as support and everything. Okay, sure, whatever. But yeah, 157%. Anybody buying right now, you're looking for 157%. I always like to have a stop loss even on my spot trades, and it would be sitting right at 1301 because I want nothing to do with it if it does get below that until you get back down here to 9/10 of a penny, and then I could be like, yeah, I bought it for 9/10 of a penny. What's up? And then we'll just see where it goes. That would be something where I just kind of buy a moon bag and just say, hey, first bull run, let's see how far it goes. Could be great. Could be great. 1 hour, leaving a lot left to be desired. But you are getting your higher lows in, so that's good. 15-minute resetting off nothing. This could actually start rallying tonight with the rest of the market, but it could start rallying tonight. All right, let me make sure my trade's not in trouble right now. Oh, we're hitting that 200. Shoot. Stochastic's pretty high. Ugh, darn it. I don't like that. I might have to get out of my trade. Oh, too bad. Let's go back to our 5-minute. Let's see if I have... Oh, wait, no, I still have a chance. We are still possibly going to hit my level. We're only up 67% on the trade. We can do better. We can be better. Let's go back to Caspa. Let's see if it's pulling back right now. It's not. Caspa's setting up to get that move going. And honestly, if I have to get out of my trade, I'm going straight into Caspa, surprisingly. I don't want to get out of my trade yet. I would much prefer to not, but what kind of leverage can I put on Caspa here? I would love to know. What kind of leverage do we have the opportunity of using? 100x? Are we for real? Oh my god. That's plenty of leverage. I don't need that much. I only want 30. Not too much to ask. Only 30. Sheesh. That's crazy. Turbo, we were expecting just a 6%. Just rally on, brother. But what are we doing? We backtesting something? Did they get scared of greatness? What happened, Turbo? Oh, it got overbought on the 5-minute. Huh. That's funny. So now you're just resetting. All right. Doesn't look like MACD wants to turn red. There might be some consolidation happening as well. Oh boy. Alright, let's pay attention to my trade real quick as I scroll up to Bitcoin. Looks like Bitcoin found a little bit of turbulence as well. And this is why the whole market's being weird. That right there. still looks good. Where did my fib retracement go? Huh. Good back test of this little area right here. So Bitcoin still expecting a 67,653 to happen. Still expecting it. I like it a lot. Alright, so chat, what do you guys think? We should have like a meme coin night once a month? That's one thing I was debating on. Where you guys just basically put me through hell one day out of the month. No fees, no nothing. I'll just be on Dex Screener. That's all we'll be looking at for the whole stream. Hopefully you guys are not for that. I don't really want to do that now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah, now that I'm thinking about it, I really don't want to do that. That would be awful. Quick refresh. Oh, how horrendous. We are still only at 399 subscribers. We need 1 subscriber tonight. Just 1. For greatness. We need 1. Dang. If we could get 21, that would be even better. Because then we could get our certification. Officially having 420 subscribers. But, you know, till then, we stay sober. We stay sober. I don't even play around with that stuff, but you know. I'll get on another account. Boost ya. Craig, no need to do that. No need to do that. I appreciate the thought, though. No need to do that. That's too much. Oh, by the way, did anybody watch the Joe Rogan and Trump podcast? I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want Kamala to jump on there and do the same thing. It would be good. Not gonna lie. I'd like it. They'll all do the same. There's no need to do that. We'll find normal people. But yeah, I watched all 3 hours of that, and Trump brought up an interesting thought on those tariffs. I was surprised on the thought process because he would not be tariffing the companies that build their factories here in America. That was interesting. It was alright. I liked it. So I would like to see Kamala go do it also. I don't know. That's the type of insight I like to actually get. Like, get somebody to actually have a full, drawn out conversation. So then it's like, okay, let's sift through all the bullshit. Let's go. By the way, anybody who decided to jump in that Caspa trade, it looks like it's trying to do something now. Looks like it's trying to do something. We're going to have to wait and see what it does, but we all know what my target is. We all know what mine is. Plus reduce the income tax. Yep. Take a look at Seamless Protocol. I don't know what the ticker is for that, so we're going to look it up. Seamless. Okay, which one is it? Is it an $18 million market cap, or is it this $32,000 market cap? Which one is it, man? Which one is it? I mean, you're not actually trying to get me to check out a Binance Smart Chain token right now, right? You're not doing that, are you? Let's see if it's this one. Is it $1.23 right now? Seam? 32 million. Yep, it's that one. Seamless. Alrighty. It's an odd looking weekly candle. You don't usually see a doji candle on the weekly. It's interesting. At least it broke to the upside. That's good. As long as you hold support, you have two levels that you're looking at to find price getting to. Could be a 41% rise or a 92% rise. I mean, it's nice that you came down once, you shot up, came down again, but you didn't hold support. That part bugs me. You do have hidden bullish diverges. That part's really nice. You have your first green candle on the MACD. That's also very nice. So on the daily, this thing could definitely run up. Definitely could. Your 4 hour trying its best to push up. You have tons of room on your relative strength. This thing could rally hard. So yeah, it looks interesting. I've never heard of this project, but it looks interesting. Yeah, if you happen to break above $2.34, well, things could get a little bit crazy for Seam. They could get a little bit crazy. I feel like I put in more levels. I guess I didn't. Huh. But yeah, you get above 234, you're looking at 336. Then if you get above 336, you have this level right here at 586. So not bad. You're kind of in the depths of hell. But I mean, only upside ahead. Your first green candle on the weekly as well. Well, this is good. How high did this thing get? Got up to $16. Currently trading at $1.22. Looks pretty interesting. Looks pretty interesting. What's your daily volume here? Volume, market cap. Nope, don't care about that. 24-hour volume. Only a $1.19 million. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. So there's hardly any volume on this. So, I mean, if you have enough money, like 100K, you could move this thing. If you threw $100,000 into this, you'd see the price jump up 10%. That's actually crazy. Actually, it might even be like 20%, if I'm being honest. So, that's cool. I just wish there was more volume so you could make more informed trades. The lack of volume makes it hard. Makes it a lot harder to be like, no, this is definitely where you put a stop loss. You'd have to have a lot more wiggle room. A lot more wiggle room. I wonder if Mother has consolidated enough. Because I do kind of want to get into Mother. Oh my god, it kept going up. Still going up. Damn. It consolidated sideways. Oh no. It was like, yeah, we'll consolidate sideways, reset, and start running again. Oh boy. Telling you guys, watch out for Mother. Watch out for Mother. I thought back here it was like, okay, it's gonna go down, possibly like down to support, maybe down to this support. We don't know, and then all of a sudden it shot out of there. I was like, oh, never mind. Well, have fun, traders. I missed that boat. That's too bad. Actually, I want to look at this Phoenix Pro. I forgot what Phoenix does, but it interested me instantly when I looked it up. And ooh, you're finding support off of this level. Wait a minute. Yeah, I forgot what it does. I'll look it up. But Are you broken out? Getting a back test. Oh shit. This is a big deal. I didn't even realize PHB got that high. So I was holding it before. I rode it all the way up to this wick. When it pulled back, I felt pretty good about it. And then I didn't know it did that. What's this thing's market cap right now? PHB. Phoenix. Currently ranked 396 at an $85.1 million market cap. Alrighty. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. That's what it is. Decentralized AI. Elastic Computer Infrastructure. That's why it had my attention. I was looking at a bunch of AI tokens, and I was like, what the hell is this Phoenix thing? Yeah. That's what it was. Skynet? AI computer layer? Oh, here we are. It's Skynet! So yeah, if you guys want to check out what Phoenix token is, you can. But yeah, I would say for an AI token, pretty low market cap. Pretty low market cap. And you're getting a bullish back test on the weekly. I might have to start accumulating this bad boy again. Oh my god. This thing looks gorgeous. $5.51 is possible here. $200% upside. I wonder. Oh my god, I can. We can futures trade this one. Oh my god. We can. That's crazy. We can. Okay. All right. Good to know. Good to know. The Weeks is it's turning out to be just as good as KuCoin was. Oh, this has me excited. That has me really excited because that's a great back test. I would be looking for that 207% upside. That's nice. Hold on, we're gonna dive a little further into the 4 hour. 4 hour looks terrible, but you tested it once, you tested it twice with support. As long as you don't get below that wick, you are solid. Whew. I'm glad I was curious about that. Oh, Rune getting a breakout. This is actually a really big deal for Rune. We have a massive target of $7.03, but where could Rune lead after that? This is kind of one of those big breakout moments. Big breakout moments. Rune, you could very easily see it trading at $7.22 based off the breakout that you are currently getting right now. That is a massive deal. Candle high close. Get above that 722. We could see 1120 and even as high as 1483. And then we'll just mark out the highest weekly candle close ever for Rune Thorchain. And yeah, we're getting a confirmed breakout right now. We are getting that confirmed breakout right this moment. All we got to do is stay out of here. Just stay out of here. For you shorter term traders, you could be looking at this as just the symmetrical triangle, where even just as a symmetrical triangle, you're still looking at 21% upside, getting you up to $6.31. Rune Thorchain. I like it a lot. I will say TRB is starting to piss me off though, because it can't break resistance. Jerks. What are we doing? You're trying so hard, and failing. I'm on too high a leverage to let this thing just keep on floundering here. So it needs to get it together sooner than later. If this 5 minute resets or it loses its 50 simple on the 5 before hitting my target, I'm getting the F out of this trade. Getting the F on out of there. I can't handle it. I can't. Assemble AI, SMUSC on base is an AI I believe looking at as well. We've looked at it the past couple days. Let's go ahead and see how it's doing. Assemble! ASM. Assemble AI. Okay, we'll just go USD. Sure. How does Coinbase have such low volume on this? Oh, it's holding support really well. Assemble AI looking pretty good. You could very well see this thing at its demand line in no time. But noted, you still have a demand line up here, so you could hit it, come back down, hit it, come back down, then break out. So, as we're getting into a trade right now, you have very low stochastics on the daily, relative strength, bullish controlled zone, 4-hour time frame, trying to push up now. Also, you're starting to see a lot more bullish convergence on the MACD. Selling pressure is just going away while you're maintaining this level. That's very good to see. As long as the sellers could just stop doing that, that'd be great. Shorter term downtrend. What do we got? We got this. It's broken out. It is broken out of that. That's good. Yeah, Assemble AI. We could see it go up and test some resistance. Could get as high as 23 or 34% upside. Looking pretty darn good. Looking pretty good. Ooh, TRB showing more weakness. I don't like that. We're about to close an hourly candle, bearishly backtesting. Ew, and we have a really high stochastic. And I might have to get out of this trade. That sucks. Didn't quite get our whole move. It's too bad. Didn't sell at the top either. Too bad. The reason why I would get out of this is because you could go as low as backtesting this downward level, or this resistance, or demand line, or whatever. You could come all the way down to backtest it before going up again. I don't want to be a part of that. I really don't want to be a part of that. $59.18. So we're just gonna move this stop loss up to $59.18. Oh, it's too bad. We were up like 98% at one point. What did I say? 59.18? Is that what I said? Right there. 59.01? Nope. Nope. We're getting super tight with the stop loss. We'll get that wick right there. 59.1. I might as well just jump out now then. That's the case. Up 50%. Not bad. We're closing it. We took a 50% trade. Could be a lot better. Oh well. Oh well. Let's go check out Kaspa again. I'm very interested in Kaspa. Am I slow? I'm probably slow. Alright, so Kaspa. Looking like we're starting to get that pullback as well, just like we were seeing on TRB. I do like that you are broken out. I'm just waiting to see. Okay, we have a brand new 1 hour. We're getting into Kaspa. Watch, we're going to see TRB just take off now. And I'm going to feel like a big dum-dum. It's the 15-minute. That's what bugs me about Caspa. It also was bugging me with TRB. Like I don't like when the 15-minute stochastic's high. I've been stopped out of too many trades because of that. It makes me nervous about getting into a trade till it resets. Well, I guess now it hit the 618. Yeah, TRB's starting to pull back a bit. Is the whole market doing this? I mean, we still have that opportunity with BNX also. Is it still broken up? BNX looks like a better opportunity at this moment because we're already back testing. We have some room to move up. Maybe we want to do BNX instead. Yeah, I think we want to do BNX instead. It just looks slightly safer because you're getting that back test now. There's a 5.7% upside move. Boop, boop. All right, we are 50x long on BNX. We pulled the trigger on it. I'm going to have a stop loss right about here, 6232. This could suck. All right, 6232, that is put in. Profit taking is all the way up here at 6627. 6627. Hopefully Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed on us. Hopefully not. 6627. 6627. Alrighty. So let's see if we get glory from this one. Or if we just get wrecked. High possibility we get wrecked. High possibility. But we did break out of our current downtrend, which also I can move this slightly, which kind of sucks. So we could even come a little bit lower. It could literally just wick me out and then start moving. So that part kind of sucks. But we're looking for a 5.7% upside move. If we get that, then we could have, I believe it's 270%, some nonsense like that. It's up there. It's a good percentage upside. It's just we need it to play out. Let's see, TRB, I think I pulled the trigger on that one a little too soon, but oh well. Better safe than sorry. Now we're going to see if BNX knows how to move. Knows how to shake its groove thing. We shall see. Oh, TRB, I got out of it way too soon. Damn it. It's right back up to where I sold it at. Popped right back up there, didn't it? Didn't it? Oh well. It's just the FOMO that you're hearing out of my voice. Just straight FOMO. No big deal. Looks like BNX started to do something. Got a nice little gap up on the 5-minute. Wish there was more volume with this. It's the lack of volume that makes me worried about trades. So when there's a lack of volume, that means the bots can find you. The bots will know. See the price just trickle down here, stop me out and go. I'm like, no. But yeah, it is still a little weird. Not more YouTubers will live trade. It's kind of weird to me. Because over on Twitch, Bull Run gets going, you'll see live trading constantly. Just constant. Non-stop. Who knows? Maybe there's some community guidelines against it that I don't know about. All right, everybody. Seems like chat has gone absolutely silent. With that being said, I think I'm going to hop on out of here. Probably going to watch some videos, maybe play some video games while watching these trades. I'm going to continue trading throughout the night. So if anybody wants to reach me through Discord or anything, feel free. Other than that, wait. They do pump fun trading. They do pump fun trading so their viewers pump their bags. Interesting. Thanks, man. Take care. I will. GG's, Chewy. GG's. That's funny. They do pump fun trading so their viewers pump their bags. That's funny. Maybe we'll get into that as well. We'll see. But as for now, I'm doing it down and dirty. In the trenches with everyone. But anyways, guys, I'm going to hop on out of here. I appreciate you all coming into the live stream. I will be back on tomorrow. Hopefully you all have a fantastic evening, morning, day, wherever you might be. And make sure those stop losses are tight. Let's get these gains, baby. Get these gains. Deuces, y'all. Deuces.